Usually wrap him up in a towel to give him his medicines and clean his ears. And his ears are fairly clean. I need to give him his drops. I didn't get to do that. And usually he can't wait to get out of my lap, but he figured out today that the medicine I've been giving him tastes like tuna, so I didn't have to force feed him. He just willingly, I had to put it in his mouth. And he willingly ate it, huh? And now he's purring and doesn't want to leave, which is fine, but no need to wrap in a towel. Huh? Nope. No need. Hey, are you just gonna hold Patty like that? 'Cause she's a baby. Okay, bye.